In today's video, I'm talking about one of the most fundamental photography techniques that you need to understand to take amazing photos. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm talking all about one of the most fundamental things that you need to understand when it comes to taking photos and videos, and that is the rule of thirds. Now, the rule of thirds applies to your composition, and composition is the way you frame up your image and place the subjects within the frame. Now, the rule of thirds is probably the most basic, but it's also the most used photography compositional technique. So it's really important to understand what this is and how to use it. So you're looking through the viewfinder on your camera. You want to draw 2 lines down the vertical axis of your camera, and you also want to draw another 2 lines across the horizontal axis. Now, this means you should have 4 lines and 9 boxes within the frame. Now, the rule of thirds in its most basic form is placing objects on those grid lines. So if you're taking a landscape photo, for example, you want to put the horizon on the bottom line or the top line. If you're taking an interesting portrait, then you want to place your subjects on the right line, or you want to place them on the left line. Ensuring that you frame up objects using the rule of thirds is a really easy way to step up your photography and make your composition look really awesome and really interesting. Now, when you're first starting to use this technique, then I would seriously recommend using the grid lines built into your camera. Most digital SLRs or professional video cameras will have the rule of thirds grid line built into your camera, and this is a really useful way to get used to framing up objects using the rule of thirds. So the next time you're out taking a photo, don't forget to place your subjects on those grid lines, and I promise you, you're going to have a really awesome photo. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, or if you found it useful at all, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, push that bell icon, and I will see you in the next video. See you there.